Today I got to unbox my daughter's FabFitFun box. Welcome back to my channel. It's Hey Mom. Today I'm unboxing the FabFitFun box. Wow, that was easy. Comes with a little magazine that says FabFitFun. That's kind of cool. Has a little pass this along coupon, and I'll put a link at the bottom so that if you want to get a FabFitFun box too, you totally can. It's at $15 off. Oh, how cute! Some little FabFitFun stickers. These are perfect for like putting on the backs of envelopes and stuff when you mail stuff. I think I'm gonna need my glasses for some of this. It's a 10 Miracle Leave-In product. Revitalizant Sans Wrinkage Miracle. It nourishes your hair, it's a thermal protector, detangles, and helps protect your hair color. Restores the shine and helps reduce frizz, and has a natural UV protectant. And it helps prevent split ends. That's cool. What else do we have? Looking for a sign to drink wine? Does anybody really need a sign to drink wine? Anyway, you get to scratch off these little thingies and maybe get some free wine. Got some hair clips. Teddy Girl eyeshadow. And these are the colors, really pretty naturals. Something to go with that wine card, Bandu. Acrylic seamless wine glasses. Ooh, I totally want to see what they look like. Let's check it out. It's like Christmas. These are cool. Look, sparkly. Wow, that's beautiful. And I love that you can drink without worrying about breaking them. That's pretty cool. Something from Kate Spade. A little bag. Ooh, this is got pretty. Kate Spade earrings. Sparklies. Aren't they beautiful? Ooh, this is a Lazy Susan. These things are so cool, especially when you're organizing your kitchen. Just spin it around and get your spices and stuff, or whatever you decide to put it on. Or I've seen people put them in the middle of their table and put all the salt and pepper and condiments on it and spin it. These are awesome. Wow, how cool. If you want to get your FabFitFun box, check the links below.